Hey, what's up guys? Today we're working on a 2017 Porsche Cayman. Owner just bought the car. He came in to get it checked out. We noticed that it had check engine light and it was misfiring on cylinders 2 and 4. So we went ahead and recommended him some plugs and coils, and while we were checking over the car we also found that he was leaking axle grease as well on both sides. So we're going to be replacing both axles and all plugs and coils. This engine obviously is side to side. It's a Porsche, so we had to sneak in through the walls and take out the plugs and coils. Not bad as I thought it was going to be. It was pretty chill, but still some work.
Oh yeah.
So now after I replaced the plugs and coils, I went back and installed the new axles. Putting them in, the car does need an alignment. I removed all control arms and tie rods and just left the shock in so it could pivot. And yeah, after that I buttoned everything up and it was good to go.